Hey, Bob. What you doing, buddy?
So cute.
Live here?
So we don't have that many Supertunias anymore. They're going away. What if I should get red and white? That'll be cute. All the Bordeaux are done. It's like literally the last Bordeaux. So I had to get this one, which I haven't seen some before. It's Supertunia Priscilla to put in that, the other one. And I have this Supertunia, this one with the red throat. It's the silverberry, and this one is snowdrift. I'm gonna get snowdrift. I don't have snowdrift. I was thinking of doing the red and white, but then I changed my mind because of availability. So let me go get I saw the lemon coral so let me go get those to add with my Bordeaux and the one that I have at home, since I can't do the original plan that I have. So we'll see. That's in planter pots. And curtains there. Whatever it is. It's an interesting cactus. Very cool. Doggies over there is cute. Okay, these are pretty. These are very pretty. I like these. That's where all the potting happened. More garden. So pretty. A lot of water features. It's only $2.99 for these. These are petunias. Here's some more Supertunias over here. Mixed in with the mini ones. Yeah, the mini Vista, Supertunia mini Vista over there. Sun lovers. Oh, what's this? Super Beano whiteouts. This will look good with the other red I saw. Let me see. These are pretty. That'd be a nice red and white. Oh look, banana trees. What's this one? Cranberry red Sensatia. That's pretty. Well, this is grape punch, and this is the Bordeaux. That's pretty. Here's the clearance section over here, and they also have the buddleias or the butterfly bush. The white one, pinkish purplish ones. Cool. Oh, these are going out of season. The ornamental peppers. I'm gonna do a lot bigger end of last year. Where are those pink things down there? Let's go take a look. Viburnum. Sweet viburnum. I actually had this yesterday, today, and tomorrow. My aunt just gave this to me. Brunfelsia passiflora. She's not too sure of the pronunciation. We'll go with yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Red Sensation Caroline. These are some great red colors for the garden. And here are a few hydrangeas. There should be more coming in soon. These are from last year, so they're dormant right now. So I thought these were peonies, but they're not from a distance. They are japonicas, doubles. Gardenias. We have some more mandavillas. And the roses are over there. Sedums are over there. Drift rose. Some tropical hibiscus. Oh, there's a lot of different varieties here. Some from bloomables, and I think these are all from bloomables, but they're sleeping now. More hibiscus. Birds of paradise. African iris. Red crotons. Let's go take a look at the. Actually, I need some. I should get a cart. There go some evergreens over here. Look at the garlic. Daffodils are still here, or more daffodils. All the amaryllis are gone. They're so tiny. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at that arbor. Wow. And you can put a plant right here. Aw. That's cute. This one is pretty. I love this one. So pretty. See, I love all the green and white ones, or light greens. Those are all cute. Wow, this one's big. And we're back in the center. Let me get my cart.